These VEO 3.1 prompts are amazing. Watch this. This is for Tesla. Pretty impressive, right? And I'm going to be sharing with you these prompts as well. There's a guy on X called Koldo. I'm not sure how you pronounce his last name, but he's got plenty of these videos. So if you want to, if you're into AI, make sure you follow him on X. He's also got all these prompts as well, which I'll be sharing on my description, but I'll also be tagging Koldo as well because he's done all the work here. I'm just showing you what he's been doing. Here's basically how he's done that video. So if we go here, so what it looks like, what he's doing is he's got a start and then he's also got a finish. So start to end frame. So that's what you can do on VEO 3.1. You can have a starting image and then an end frame image and then use a prompt. With the Tesla prompt, there's a Tesla prompt here. This is it here. In terms of being able to monetize social media, so for me personally, I live in Australia. I can only monetize YouTube and Facebook. But if you live in like the US and other countries, you can monetize TikTok, you can monetize Instagram, Facebook, literally anything. And the good thing about Tesla and brand products like Lint, Tesla, what this guy's doing is you can make a lot of money on Facebook with monetization content program because people are bidding on these keywords to run ads. So if you learn how to create stuff like this on VEO 3.1, you can make a lot of money. Okay, this is amazing as well, guys. Absolutely amazing. Watch this. How good is that? Amazing. Netflix. Super cool. So again, this guy is showing you the prompts as well. A lot of the times when we use prompts, we're like, I want you to create a Netflix logo, or I want you to create a Tesla logo that is LED, and it doesn't really look that good. You can see how much thought process has gone into this to make it actually look as professional as this. So there's a lot to learn here. You can also copy and paste all of these prompts into ChatGPT or Claude and start to train your AI to learn how to write stuff like this, and then you can get it to write other stuff for you as well. I've also found some other amazing VEO 3.1 videos with the prompts. I'm going to be sharing with them on another video. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.